Manual flight.
Flaps.
Very green light. Reset the flight directors, please.
Completa.
Thank you.
5.000.
Chapeco, bom dia, Polícia 02. Polícia 02, Chapeco.
Check the wind now. It's gonna do it with the aircraft.
Acionado no pátio, vai para decolagem, atender emergência policial em Polícia 02. Ciência informa o vento 050 graus, 10 nós, temperatura 24, ajuste no 012, 1012. Tráfego do GOL 6654 e do Azul 5260, procedimento para pouso. Ciente dos tráficos em procedimento para pouso, Polícia 02 decola do pátio com toda da cidade, vai ficar limitado a 300 pés. Aviso uma aeronave ingressando para o vento, tá, o nono, é um deles? Um deles, certo. Tá ciente, não interfere, Polícia 02. Vai iniciar ataque, decolagem direto para da cidade.
1,000.
28 knots, tailwind.
Checked.
Tailwind.
Checked. Want to see how it goes on the ground and then...
Crosswind by left at 17 knots.
Okay, perfect.
On final. Na final, Gol 66. 4.
Chapeco ciente, marcando 050 graus, 12 nós.
1,000.
Informará no solo.
Okay, I'm gonna have to go around and I'll do it again because of the base, alright? I'm gonna get another approach. Going around.
500.
15. Flap 15.
400.
Get up.
Esse é aproximação perdida, Gol 6654.
Avisou 2 e 100. Avisou com azul.
Gonna get into the traffic pattern. The HR is right there, see? Gonna get behind him. It was too windy during the down base. Flap 5.
Weather change, flap 5.
Thank you. Flap 1. Set the speed to flap 1 and leave the flap 1, please.
Roger.
So gear down.
Gear down.
Flaps 15. Landing check down the flaps.
Engine start switch.
Set speed, please. Continuous.
Altimeters.
1012. Center cross check.
Speed rate.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Mode at flaps.
Perfect.
Headwind 30 knots, crossing.
Approaching minimums.
Right,
All right.
21.
Checked. I'll be extending a little bit more the downwind. And
Minimums.
If I not get it perfectly again, I'll try. I'm gonna have time to adjust. All right.
All right.
1,000.
Tailwind 5 knots, crosswind left to 22 knots.
Checked.
Informando 050 graus, 169.
Sim.
$500.
Crosswind
300.
15 left.
Checked.
200. 100. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Speed break up. Reverse normal.
Manual braking.
Auto brake timer.
Ciente, informando vento no aeródromo 050 graus, 1069, temperatura 24, ajuste 1012, 1012. Ciente, gato. Qual é o estimado para o
60
trabalho?
knots.
Checked.
Já vai passar.
Welcome to Chapeco. It was a very interesting approach. We had a very strong wind during the downwind, and this wind became very strong tailwind during the base leg. So I couldn't be stable enough to land the aircraft, so I decided to go around instead of trying to do something that is not safe enough. So we did it all manually, the go around procedure all manually. We got into the traffic pattern again all manually. So and on the second attempt, I decided to be a little bit farther from the runway, as we usually do. We usually stay around 2 miles. And I decided to stay at 3 miles, and even that you could see that even though I had to correct aircraft a little bit during the approach. This is we don't have that kind of strong winds here in Brazil. Probably if you're from Europe or China or stuff like that, you guys are pretty used to the very strong crosswind. We don't have that here in Brazil, so this is a good opportunity for me to practice that. All right, so a couple more minutes, I'll be ready for depart again to Guarulhos, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thank you.